Hello everyone, welcome you all in this channel. Today we will learn how to download openoffice.org in Android phones. So for downloading openoffice.org in Android, we will go to the Play Store of our Android. So here is the Play Store. Now on search I will type Andro Open Office. Andro Open Office. Press enter. Now the Android version of OpenOffice will get started downloading in your Android. It will take 7 to 9 minutes to download depending upon the range of Android mobile network. And it is a big file of about 640 MBs. So now it is getting downloaded in the mobile. Now already downloaded. Now I will press open. Now see the Android Andro OpenOffice.org has been downloaded in my Android and has been installed. Now it is ready to work. As we know that OpenOffice.org is a free open source alternative to the costly Microsoft Office. It possesses many of the same day-to-day capabilities as Microsoft Office possess. Above it, it is a free to use and is much more cross platform than Microsoft Office. That is why it makes it ideal for students, uh, as in educational institutes. Nowadays, only OpenOffice.org is applicable, and as the window is a paid and this software is a freeware software, so all the facilities are free of cost in this software. Now the openoffice.org is downloaded on my mobile, and my Android is able to accept all its applications. Openoffice.org Office Suite is composed of 6 tools. As we know, text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, formula, and templates. So, one by one, I will tell the importance of these softwares. And these are the softwares of OpenOffice Suite. Now, what is Suite? Suite is a combination of two or more software. So in openoffice.org suite, it comprises of 6 softwares. First one is text document, and we can also call it as writer. It is used to type text type of document. If you want to type some books, so all the facilities whatever are there in Microsoft Office Word are available in Writer, even much more than that. So it serves a purpose, and it is a freeware software. Now next is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet or calculus. When we make a tabular type of data, tabular type means which contains rows and column in the form of tables. There we need spreadsheet. Suppose we want to make the records of students record, marks records. So there we use spreadsheet. This is also available in the openoffice.org suite. Next is presentation. As I told, it is comparisons of 6 software. Third software is presentation. In openoffice.org, it is Impress. Impress is a software which is used to make presentations as is done in the Microsoft Office with the help of PowerPoint presentations. So, this function is served by Impress or presentation. Fourth software of this suite is Drawing. Drawing is this software is used to draw vector based drawing programs. In mathematical drawings, three-dimension oriented drawings can be done with this software. Next fifth software of this suite is Formula. It is a mathematical editor which is used to edit various formulas, some simple formulas from algebra to complex formulas up to rocket equations also. So these all can be done in this freeware software suite openoffice.org. And the next is template. Template means a base, we can call it base also, database program to design, create and manipulate database. So how nicely this software has been designed, and it is a freeware software. This software comprises 6 suites and is available on our Android also. Now I will tell you how it can work. Like text document, when I will press this text document, its application is started. I want to create any text type of data. So I can do in this, I can type, I can make my files. It is all the application are given. Formatting can be done, bold, italic, different fonts. These all the facilities are there. One by one, I will in my next videos I will discuss in detail the open office, each suite of open office, each software of open office suite. Then after this, similarly we can go for another application of this writer. So in my next video we will discuss this all. Till the time, you can download in your Androids. This is the spreadsheet. This work can be done. This is used to make tabular type of data, as I told, to make the record of students record or some data which contains tables, rows and columns. And Impress is used to make presentations, to make presentation as we make in Windows. So that can also be done in this presentation. To make presentation, create, I will press on create, and this presentation window appears and I can make the presentation. So means in this my Android I can make the maximum use of it, and it is possible to download this openoffice.org complete suite in my Android phone. So sitting in a safe corner of my room, I can do all these works on my Android. I need not to go for laptop or desktop. And this, I can do everything on my Android. So it's an interesting software. And till the time you enjoy this software, download it from the Play Store of your Android mobile. In my next video I will discuss each software of the suite in detail. So like this, I have created a table in my graph in my Android itself. So enjoy the video, subscribe it, like it. Thank you.